Grand Rising. Let's do some hot yoga out in the sun. I know a lot of people pay for hot yoga in a gym, but nature is always free. So let's go. I already did some breath work, so I'm gonna start with my knees, give my hands a good stretch, arch my back a bit, and go as far as I can. Do a deep breath here. 2 more. Come back to the center. I'm gonna get into this position right here. I'm gonna rotate my hips in circular motion. And I'm gonna bounce. Come to the center. I'm gonna do the opposite leg. Circular motions. Chin up. Now we're gonna extend my right leg out. And I'm gonna stretch forward. And just do some breath work here. If I want an extra stretch, I like to just fold my elbows and grab the back of my neck. This stretches my back and my lower back, like my upper and lower back. Same thing. And then we're just gonna sit for some calm breaths in a comfortable position. Allow my body to relax and just be. We're gonna extend our arms out. 3 breaths here. Last one. We're gonna sweep our arms up, deep breath. Interlock your finger, palms away. And then we're gonna come to the center. Exhale. Namaste. Let this be a reminder to enjoy the little things in life, the free things in life. Everything now has to be monetized, but what's free, just let it be free.